We continue with Kitzur Shulchan Aruch. And we start a new Siman today, number 27. And the title is Laws of Torah Study. So I'm on page 300. Okay, introduction. One of the foremost obligations of a Jew to study Torah, derived from the words of Veliman the Tem, and you shall teach them. Right? Dvarim 11:19, and you should teach them. This mitzvah includes the study of the Torah both day and night. Upon concluding his prayers, a person should continue his service to God through the immediate Torah study. So we were learning the laws of synagogue and the laws of the prayers. So now we interrupted with Avelus, and then we're going to Torah study. That's proper to stay, I don't know, maybe a minute or 2 minutes, whatever, to study Torah, even a little. Okay, so CF number 1. Upon conclusion of the prayers, one should dedicate time to study Torah. So let's read the commentary. As noted above the introduction to the Siman, study Torah immediately after praying is a way to continue one's service of God. Additionally, once a person becomes involved in his daily activities, there is concern that he might forget his obligation to study Torah. He should therefore study Torah immediately upon concluding the prayer. Mishnah Brura 155:2. Okay, that's what Mishnah Brura says, Shulchan Aruch says, right? So right after the conclusion of the prayer, and in some shuls, at least someone, Rabbi, usually it's Rabbi, would say halacha. I mean, it takes 2 minutes, and people wrap it talesim and tefillin, and they listen. Okay. In other shuls, they would say have a real class, maybe 15-20 minutes class. That's very commendable to attend. Or, for example, I listen to when I walk from shul to home, I listen to the shiurim, Rabbi Shlita. Okay, also Torah study. Continue. So to show HaShem, okay, I just pray Shmoneh Esrei. I ask you about all of these things, right? But to show that I still dedicated, I'm not just trying to get rid of my responsibilities and I prayed and that's it. I have to run to make parnasa. Okay, I say, you know what, HaShem, I want to learn your Torah. Because if people go to work and they push away to later time, and then he ends up not learning at all. Okay. It happened to me a few times, so I know exactly how powerful Eitzah Hara. Just a little later, do this, do that. That's it. Okay. It is necessary for this session to be regular, so that he will not skip it, even if the prospect of large profit. Right. So meaning that the person has to set up a specific time during the morning. In the morning, in the evening, and don't give up this time for anything. If he so even as Kitzur says, even the prospect of a large profit. Okay, if he must tend to very pressing matter, he should study first at least one verse in the Torah law, Torah law, right? And then tend to which is important for him to do. So at least like minimum of the minimum. Do one line. Thereafter, he should complete his set session of the Torah study. In some holy communities, holy associations were established to study Torah in public, immediately following the prayers. Every God-fearing Jew should attempt to join these groups. And I saw when I was in Israel, in several shuls, people like I would live, but I don't know, like maybe only, I would say most of the people would stay. Most meaning like maybe 60%, 65% would stay. Only some minority would leave. So people would stay. I'm not sure how long they would stay, but they will want, seriously want. Okay. That's what Kitzur is talking about.